Oh, we just found a nice village. I'm going back. Ay, oh, hi Ella. You just heard a nuclear bomb. Skita, uy. A nice nuclear bomb. It's apart from Ella. Inside his zone. You give me white bed. Sabi ka din. Pag-creative sa game, pagka... Oh, you just heard. Oh. I'm just gonna make a yawa. Pickaxe. It's just a friendly game. Sorry for the background music. Pagi mo chest tas buteng tulog ay 6. Oh no. Oh right.